no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Aha! It ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Oh, a peanut sat on the railroad track. His heart was all aflutter. Around gave in, came number 10. Peanut butter. It ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
Oh, my uncle built a chimney. He built it up so high, he had to tear it down again to let the moon go by.
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
Joy.
Oh, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? If he held a saw in his little paw, a ton of wood he could.
It ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
Lord.
Oh, it ain't gonna rain anymore. It ain't gonna rain anymore. The grammar's good, but what?
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
Go.
Say, baby, turn to mother, turn. Can I have a brother? Yes, said Mom to baby, turn. One good turn deserves another. No more, it ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
We had a cat down on our farm. It hated a ball of yarn. When those little cats were born, they all had sweaters on.
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
Mary had a little watch. She swallowed it one day. She took a dose of castor oil to pass the time away.
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
Oh, Julia.
The chambermaid came to my room. Get up, you lazy sinner. We need the sheets for tablecloths, and it's almost time for dinner.
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
Paula.
A man laid down by the sewer, and by the sewer he died. And at the coroner's inquest, they called it suicide.
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Aha!
We had a goat down on our farm. It ate up old tin cans. When those little goats were born, they came in Ford sedans.
It ain't gonna
rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more?
It ain't gonna
Rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the heck can I wash wash my neck if it ain't gonna rain no more.
That's pretty funny.